Uh, Good morning to all of you. Once again, we start here a session, and in this today's session, we just discussed 2 points. First, already yesterday, some point will for all of you. So, in yesterday, we have just discussed three major words. One is the telecom versus IT services, and second is that intelligent device, and third is that smart devices. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about this point. What is the telecom? Telecom in the practical manner. Each every answer I give here in the practical scenario. Not go for the books. Not go for the Google search answer. All answer is practical manner. So my question is already asked you, what is the telecom? Yeah, what we do in telecom? So definitely in the traditional telecom, only any one person calling to dial some number and calling to another person. So this is the telecom. In telecom, only communicate directly person to person via voice communication. After some time, we added some additional feature like in mobile SMS and fax facilities on the landline phone. So this is a some modification of telecommunication in the traditional tele network. In the today scenario, in the current time, all telecommunication network is the same, but it now used for the new types of communication. This is the IT communication. IT is nothing. IT services is very simple. Help of IT, we can communicate today each and either in the data communication. Earlier, telecommunication, that means voice communication. The new version of telecommunication is known as IT communication. Either you can say data communication. In data communication, you can communicate each another either simultaneously, just like for example Zoom is the very good example for today types of communication. In the Zoom communication, you can easy to see our my computer's desktop screen, my video, my sound, each and everything directly. So this is also new types of communication. This is also, you can say, telecommunication. The new version of telecommunication is IT communication. IT services, how to manage IT services? This services is managed by the combination of hardware and software. You are all are well known about this. So hopefully each and every one, very simple language in a practical manner. In the today's time, there is no telecommunication. You can say the new version of telecommunication is known as IT communication, IT services. Yeah, in general manner, data communication. Okay. In this regard, I asked some two more questions. What is the meaning of intelligent device? What is the meaning of a smart device? So what is the meaning of intelligent? First, just understand words of intelligent. Intelligent device, intelligent. Are you intelligent? Yes, yeah, no. So yesterday we discussed each human are intelligent because any, either in case of human, either in case of animals, either in case of bird, yeah, anything make by the human, it have two two things. One is the sense, and second is the memory. All are intelligent. Each and like you, I, all have sense and memory. I am telling something, all are try to sense, and you can remember also it, memorize also it. Okay, so all are intelligent. Now it is the God gifted. You have more sensor, you have more sense, you have more memory. You can say you are extra intelligent. But sometime in the North India, if anything is down, either sense is down, either memory is down. So generally in the local, uh, people say to each other, he is half mind. So hopefully in the south there is some people such types of also use you will wear if somebody not properly communicate. So you can say he and she is the half mind. So what is the meaning of half mind? Either his sense is down, either his the memory is down. Okay, it is just in the funny manner, but reality is that this is a fact, real fact. Okay. Now the next is the smart devices. Definitely all smart. Again, I ask, are you smart? Yeah, I am smart. Yes, yeah, no. So what is answer for this? By default, intelligent is smart. Intelligent by default, intelligent will be done plus. You can check spelling. There is no problem. Uh, Check. Second thing is, if anybody telling go to the more and more communication. So you can say he is over smart in the classroom. Suppose in a classroom a lot of student will be there. So sometimes some guy try to the maximum.
அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணிட்டு இதை கட் பண்ண. அப்போ கத்துதுரி வீடியோ கால்ல வர சொல்லுது உன் போன்ல.
When enter in the meeting, request to keep please mute. Otherwise, your record will be share also. Okay, don't worry. Yes, Manumati. Are you able to see, listen to me? Yes or no? Anyway, intelligent and communication. In the, just I give the example in the classroom, uh, a lot of student will be there. So sometimes some student try to uh, go to the each and every table and more communication. So what you say? He is making over smart. He try to make over smart. Okay. In the another thing, same manner, one student don't talk to each one, each anyone. Just sit in the corner in your class. So one another word for him also. He is a duffer. He have no communication. He is a no sense, no mind. So just I request, what is the meaning of smart? And also suggest for all of you, all you try to become smart, not go for the over smart, not go for the duffer, not go for the donkey type. Okay, so you try. If I ask some question, yeah, you anybody asks to you question, so definitely as per limited uh, words you can definitely communicate to each other. It makes increase your smartness. Okay, so in the today scenario, a smart building in the for in case of devices. Yesterday, just one question for key. If you go to the market, purchase a fan. So if shopkeeper showing three types of fan: normal fan, intelligent fan, and a smart fan. Normal fan is that is the traditional fan. There is no additional remote control. A sensor is memory. So in the normal fan, power on off is the manually, speed is the manually, rotation is the manually. In the same case, if you purchase intelligent fan, so in this case, there is some sensor and memory devices is available in your phone. You can control power on off, speed by the remote. For example, AC in your home AC room. So in AC, how to control a television system? In television system, by the remote system, you can change their channels. You can increase their volume. You can uh, uh, power on off also television system. This is the intelligent television. Now a smart. Now each and everyone have a smart. So that in case of the devices, each and every devices you can connect to the internet. That device is known as a smart devices. In a smart AC, definitely it will be connect to the internet. So if you say in a room, a smart room, so that means in a smart room, each and every device like door, like light system, like uh, fan, AC, television, everything able to connect by the internet. That is the simply a smart devices, a smart room, a smart building. So in the same case, a smart building, a smart city. In a smart city, each and every system you connect through the via internet, either traffic, either power, road, street light on off. Okay, if there is no internet, so that is not a smart. Suppose you purchase a smart TV at your home, but you don't connect it internet. So your phone have feature of a smart, but this time if there is no internet, so at that time your television you don't say it is a smart. Okay. Now again question in the last we ask leave for all of you. If two friends living with the together in a same hostel room, if suppose Hilika, you are calling to the Bhanumati, and both are the staying in the same hostel room, so can you explain what is the path, Hilika? My question is that if you and Bhanumati both are staying single hostel room and same place, same room, if you calling from your phone to Bhanumati, what is the you can explain ki what is the path.
It's a transmission tower.
I know what is the transmission path in the real manner. It is everybody in the as per book it go to the tower. There is some exchange, but in the real sense, what is the real path? Are you aware about this? Yes, yes or no? Just tell me yes or no.
By when
Okay, no problem. Just don't worry. Just keep in the mind, all of you, technology is very simple, but problem is that we never go their base. What is the base of this technology? So before going to the higher study, a higher decision, any types of uh, taking a knowledge, first we go for the basic knowledge. So first today we just take in this session traditional communication, and then we migrate new communication. So definitely in telecommunication there is approximately 160-year history. In India is very lucky. In the same time, telecommunication starting the Britain, same time telecommunication system is available in India by the British rule. So from starting to till time, the most important communication by the landline telephone, basic phone. This is also known as the basic phone. Basic phone means landline phone in the today language, landline. But earlier it is known as the basic phone. From starting to till time, one media is the most important media, that is the copper wire. What types of media or communication? This is the copper wire. Second is the air. Third is the optical fiber. Fourth is the EM, either microwave. Fifth is the coaxial. And sixth is the satellite. Okay, this is the media for communication in today. Okay, if I ask all of you, so please give the answer via the chat. Don't worry, but don't need case open your mic. Uh, which media is weakest media in out of six media? I just write on the screen. Weakest media, सबसे कमजोर, weakest media, most weakest. Yeah, you can say poor media. Yes, this is all types. Yeah, copper wire, helic. Other copper wire is the weakest media. Okay. What about say air? Any idea about air? Air, the here I write in the communication system, either telephonic communication or today this time. Media is the in sense distance. How many distance cover by the media? This is the in the distance we can measure this media is the good, other weak. Okay. So air maximum distance is the 30 meter to 50 meter. Okay. Maximum distance. If two people is standing each another, so maximum 30 to 50 meter, easy to able to communicate each and every one. Okay. But long distance, copper, it is also known as the weakest and most important. Without air is nothing. Second is that copper wire. Copper wire, this is the 5/6 kilometer length, and it is last 160 years. 60 years, important media. In the today is also upcoming time, you never say कि optical fiber is best media, because due to all media defined why the best, due to the available of technology. Current communication technology, definitely optical fiber going for the best media, but upcoming future it may be changed. Okay. So you always say कि optical fiber is the best media, distance infinite. There is no bar. First is advantage of optical fiber is that. Second is the infinite distance and bandwidth, because today each and everybody want to internet speed. Okay. And present time best media due to availability of technology. But upcoming time it may be change. Copper wire is the definitely never all media use in the today. No media which vanish and end in time. Each every media you can say air is not available and then we can live. No, air is also important. It is not good for directly communicate in air maximum 30 to 50 meter. But it is the most important. Without air, life not possible. In the copper wire, distance is 5 to 6 kilometer, but in the current technology of available, maximum internet speed is available in the copper wire. Up to 1000 Gbps, but optical fiber only 100 up to 400 Gbps. If I ask 400 Gbps, again if I ask you which media is the best, what your decision? In the sense of the speed, definitely you can say कि copper wire, because as per availability of technology, copper wire provide maximum bandwidth, but distance is drawback. In the same case, optical fiber infinite bandwidth possible, but current technology only allow maximum speed 400 Gbps. So in this case, what is your answer? Definitely copper wire. So you always say the media is the best or not best, good or not good, depend on the availability of the technology. Okay. But all media is important. And EMWay 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer, and 15 kilometer possible. Mobile tower to your mobile phone. Okay. Coaxial 40 kilometer. And satellite, 3 satellite can be communicate, can be manage whole world communication. But what is the drawback of the satellite? The biggest drawback of the satellite is during flood, during rainy day, what happen? If at your home, if you use the satellite dish TV like Tata Sky, DTH, yeah, Voda Videocon like other satellite television system, what happen if rainy day, if flood is come, what happen? It your television signal is lost and you can't see any televisions. Okay. So in this case, satellite, traditional satellite is the biggest drawback is the same time in the south, rainy day. In the Rajasthan, there is no single rain. In Assam, a lot of rainy, heavy rain. In UP, so in India, there is different location, different weather is available. So this is the biggest problem. So in the satellite communication is available current traditional. You can say traditional satellite is not compatible due to nature. Okay, but in 2016, BSNL and SpaceX, one company, one new types of satellite communication that name is the Inmarsat. It available from year 2016. This satellite is easy, never destroyed during the rainy day, never lost signal during the flood time, any nature way. It is a completely nature free, nature distortion free. So definitely this is a very good communication. And after coming, upcoming feature, upcoming year, satellite play biggest communication system. After coming this already available, BSNL is available. Thus, due to the government, they why they not give the opportunity, because you can easily understand why not given. This is a political matter, but technology is available. Definitely, upcoming time, upcoming global time, not only for India, it is the whole global, whole world. Satellite communication is the future, and after coming satellite future, no 1G, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G. This is the just history. Upcoming time is the satellite communication. And satellite communication, you can move any location of the world. Okay. So it's a future. So you can say these all media is available in the present time, but different technology and different government permission, it will be huge. Okay. But now I'll come back to question. When two-person connected to the in the same room, so what is the path? So for answer for this, we go back one general matter and general scenario starting from the communication. So suppose if you go for the traditional telephone exchange, any telephone exchange, go for BSNL, there are landline telephone exchange normally available in India, BSNL, MTNL and Airtel. Okay. So in South, BSNL is a very good and excellent role. You can say why this time they destroy. So each and everyone already uh, have knowledge. Why give not give 4G to BSNL? Who gives answer? This is a government company. So definitely there is no any condition, any problem given to government. But why not give? Easy to understand. Anyway, in telephone exchange, if go, there is visit. So there is one switch room. Just keep in the mind. One room is known as the switch room. Look like this. There is a closed room. Nobody allow inside this room. This is AC room. Some rack is there and some people working with the computer. Another room is the MDF room. This is the MDF room. In MDF room, there is only wire. What is MDF? I will discuss later. And most important thing is the power room. Power room, what happen if a light power failure, then at your home, you have alternate arrange inverter. When power failure at your home, your power supply complete by the your inverter, and you wait for the main supply. When main supply return, automatically restore your home power supply on the mains. But in any organization, either like BSNL, either any organization where required 24 hours power supply, so same scenario is available. In telephone exchange, main supply, if fail, each and every load become on your battery. But in a telephone exchange, we don't wait for restoration of the main supply and don't depend completely on the battery system. So in this case, we just use alternate generator power supply. So when mains fail, automatically load move on battery, and you same time 5 to 10 minutes start the generator and whole load on go to the generator system. And again mains is restored, your power supply will be restored. Okay, this mechanism is available across whole world. If you need 24 hour without any interruption of power supply. So in telephone exchange, one is the power room. This is the manage main supply failure to battery room. This is a complete battery, a very weak battery room. Okay, and generator room is also. This is outside of the telephone exchange. And one most important is that transmission room. This is a transmission room. One is the switch room, one is the MDF, one is the transmission room, and one pattern to manage the uninterrupted power supply. Okay. Now, what is the local call and trunk call? Okay. So just starting from the layer 1. In the local call, this is your telephone number. This is the copper wire landline case. And this copper wire, Hilika, have you any landline communication at your home? Anyone? Any participant had any landline connection at your home? Yes or no? In the current time? Hilika? Mary? There is landline connection at your home? Yes or no? Are you able
No,
to?
sir.
No. Okay, don't worry. If you're taking a landline connection, in this case, your mobile landline connection, this is the phone, this connected to the copper wire, and this box is available in your home, and out of home at nearby the pole, either wall, there is one DP. This is known DP. This is nothing. This is the wire, copper wire to each, and suppose there is a capacity of DP of 5 to 10 customer. So this landline given, this is available outside your home, either pole, either wall. So copper for one home, one telephone is here, same 2, 3, 4, nearby 4 or 5 home, you directly connect copper wire. In telephone communication system, each and every customer have separate wire, keep in the mind. In electricity communication, power line communication, you the same power plug you can use for the bulb, for the fan, yeah, other city. But in the telephone line, in the communication system, either traditional telephone line, yeah, today new telephone line, all have separate customer, separate wire. So this is the one home, this is another home, this is another third. So maximum capacity 5 to 10, current time available the 5 wire. So this wire is connected here, combine all 5 wire and move exchange side. And after move exchange side, nearby on the road, you can see such types of box. This is known as the pillar. Pillar is nothing. Nearby, all DP wire, DP. Here is some DP from 1, 2, 3, 4 maximum DC is possible. Another DP, another DP. So nearby all DP collection is here. And again, cabling of this are cable, it capacity up to 500 wire, 500 customer. pair. Wire is always pair because it's the electronic and electrical wire, so definitely pair cable. And this move exchange side. When moves exchange side, so this is just look like this is boxes you can see. I hopefully ki such types of box different location sometime you can see. Other not see, so now from today and onward you just look at this such type box. What is the meaning of this box? This is nothing. This is known as the cabinet, and this is the just collection of all nearby pillar. Okay, this is again wire, and finally enter in the MDF. This is the exchange inside the exchange room. In exchange room, this is nothing. All nearby 5 to 6 kilometer. Already saying what is the distance of the copper wire. Distance of the copper wire 5 to 6 kilometer. Either 5 kilometer, either 6 kilometer. Thick wire is 6 kilometer. Thin wire is the 5 kilometer. So you can see ki each and every 5 kilometer, 6 kilometer radius, one BSNL telephone is there, because from starting of communication until time is main media is the copper wire, or copper wire length is the only 5 kilometer. So definitely each and 5 kilometer radius, every 5 kilometer radius, definitely one telephonic is available. Now come back another PPT. Yeah. So this is a nothing in MDF around 5 to 6 kilometer. All customer wire be combined here, and they will be separate. They only for collection here. Okay. And this room go for the next is the switch room. In telephone exchange, switch room is the most important. Suppose this is the Mr. A. Mr. A calling to Mr. B. Okay. Suppose Hilika, this is Hilika telephone, and this is another is the Bhanumati telephone. Okay. If both live the same location, same area, same home, so Mr. A, Hilika is calling to Bhanumati, and wire is available in this collections of wire, same MDF. In old time, in place of the switch room, a lot of telephone operator is available. Earlier, this person is calling to B, so this available person manually connect A person to B person, manually connect. This manually connection is known as switch. What is the meaning of the switch? Switch meaning is the temporary basis two person communicate or connect to each other. So if you calling this person, so here temporary bit operator will be earlier starting of the telecommunication manually connect to each other. This is the switching. So manually electronic convert switch in the electromechanical switch, and electromechanical will switch now electronic switch. This is the electronic switch, and in the today's switch is known as IP switch. All wire is the same, but what changed? Earlier manual by the human, then move electromechanical. In electromechanical, two types of switch with name, namely go in history. One is the crossbar, one is the Strauser bar. But you forget them, no, don't worry. And now this is maximum available from some location is also look like this is the switch room, electronic switch. And this switch is now known as the IP switch. Manually, electromechanical, then electronic, and currently IP switch, today's switch. So if A is calling to B, wire is available same, definitely this migrate at this temporary basis connect to each other. This is the known as local call. And again MDF pillar, cabinet pillar, this is a local. What is the meaning of the local call? Meaning of the local call is the same switch room. Okay. Suppose Mr. A is calling, this is known as the local call. Mr. A is the calling, suppose in the Trivandrum, Kerala, and same city, Trivandrum guy calling to the another person. This he is also live in the same city, but their switch room will be different, because already told to all of you, each and every 5 kilometer radius one telephone exchange will be there. So definitely it may be possible out of 5 kilometer, another person, their switch room will be different. So in this case, what happened? This is telephone location, local location is the same in this case. Mr. A calling to now Mr. B. Okay. But B wiring is not here. A, this wire is not available in this wire. But in the same city, another MDF, their wire is available. In this case, what happened? Each and every city, there is one main telephone exchange. If you ask your parent, if you ask your grandparent, where is the main exchange of your city? They easily to say, in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai, where is main city? Easily to say. Location is very well known. Where is the main exchange? So this local telephone exchange is connected to the main telephone, main switch room. Every switch, one main switch room will available. And this connection from local to main exchange is the connected by the optical fiber 1986. Optical fiber communication is not new. It is available 1986. Okay. So this is local connection copper wire. If customer is not available in this location, so then this switch room forwarded by optical fiber help of main telephone exchange. This is the DTAC switch. This main telephone exchange switch name is the DTAC, Digital Trunk Auto Exchange. This switch and this switch both are the same. You can say earlier there are some people also available here, and here is some people available in the old time. What is the what do by these people? They connect to the locally. If not, so they send to the main exchange. Here people, okay, in 10 city, another switch, so they connect to the another switch. Now this is electronic and IP switch automatically provision, and this will be connect the same. So this is the trunk call. This is the trunk call. One city to within the city another switch. So this is actual. This path is the actual path. Always keep in the mind. In today internet is the same path. Line is not changed. Line is the same. Only telephone instrument will be replaced by the computers, replaced by the smart devices. All remaining paths are the similar as per previous. Okay. Now we are Zoom meeting is also same line. Wireless is nothing. There is nothing to wireless. Wireless you are only from your mobile phone to the nearby tower. All are the same path is follow. I will explain the end of this video. If somebody calling to one city to another city, this is the within the city. Now I am here in Ghaziabad, you are here Chennai, you are here some Trivandrum, some are Bhubaneswar, different location. So in this case, what is the actual path? In this case, this is the 1885, the Indian Telegraph Act. Definitely, who is making? By the Britain, by the British, by the Englishman. Today, definitely, we are go for the technology is new, but path and definition is the similar. It also applicable in today. So, but here diagram is just so. They divided India into 4 regions: NTR, WTR, STR, and ETR. NTR, WTR, STR, and ETR. Northern Telecom Region, Western, Southern, and ETR, Eastern Telecom Region. This is the just here I show now NTR. In NTR, there is the 2 headquarters. One is the Delhi, another is the Dehradun. Okay, same in the STR. There is 2 headquarters. That is Bangalore and the Chennai. And WTR, Mumbai and Bhopal. And ETR, Guwahati and Kolkata. So they in every division there is available 2 headquarters. Okay. So now, if yes, if anybody call from one city to another city and same telecom region, suppose Tamil Nadu, all are Tamil Nadu from Tamil Nadu, and you are calling from one phone to another people within the same city. Same another city, one city to another city, but same Tamil Nadu zone. What happened in this case? This customer is connected to the local switch. This path is the same. This switch is identify calling people wire is not available here. So he's sending the main DTAX exchange. So this is the same DTAX in the suppose Chennai and same is the Trivandrum. Both are the STR. So they are directly connected to the optical fiber transmission. This is the transmission line from optical fiber from same region. Okay. So this is the STR. In the case of the south, STR. So they directly connect to the one city to another city and another DTAX. DTAX is available each and every city. Okay. So one city to another city. And this again, suppose this this calling from Chennai and to Trivandrum. So this is the Chennai headquarter, and they send to the another DTAX Trivandrum. He identify in Trivandrum which local switch. This is the connect. So this is the real path. And one more thing in the mobile communication. Now a discussion about this you can easily understand. In the landline communication, one problem is there. A problem is that if you required anybody telephone system, so definitely one copper pair wire required their home. So number of copper wire, number of customer, but day by day demanding of telephone system too high. So what happened? How to sort out this issue? This sort out issue by the mobile communication system. Mobile communication and landline communication is no more different. What difference? You can see in this PPT. Transformation to PSTN mat landline to mobile. This is the general path of any communication. This person earlier wire required from home if required telecommunication system, but we just replace this position BTS mobile tower, and mobile tower connected to the are different tower in the city. Now this just MDF is replaced a small electronic switch, electronic types of devices. This is known as the BSC, and today new other name. You don't go the name, just think about basic scenario. So this tower, this mobile tower, you can connect traditional tower 1024 customer. So now 1024 wire is not required. Directly you connected to the wire, and further this tower is connected to the all tower is BSC, and this go to the local switch. If this person is calling and same mobile switch, so by return back, this is the local call in the mobile. If calling this person to landline, so go to the DTAX and another landline. If calling one mobile to another location, so same is the go another mobile same. So this is wireless is nothing. Always keep wireless communication is only for the local arrangement from you and me. How there no need, you can move easily roaming each and everywhere. Okay, but every tower directly connected by the optical fiber. This is the optical fiber. This is the optical fiber mostly are optical fiber. One city to another city is also optical fiber. Okay, now yesterday more question for already asked if two person is standing at Bagha border. Are you know where is the Bagha border? Bagha border is India and Pakistan most popular border. Two person is standing at Bagha border. One is Indian and one is the Pakistani. Both have mobile phone. Don't worry. Then same thing. So definitely same location. If standing two people in Bagha border, Indian people connected to the Indian tower, Indian signal. Pakistani people, Pakistani tower, Pakistani signal. Suppose Indian people calling to the Pakistani. What happened in this case? In this case, Indian people tower, and this go to the Bagha border location, and Bagha border is the come in Amritsar. Amritsar identify, oh, this calling person is not available in NTR. Already discussed NTR, STR, WTR. in same region, so one DTAC go to the DTAX and another DTAX, no problem. So he identify, oh, this is not our NTR, Northern Telecom region. He sent to the DTAX. DTAX net decided, oh, this is not available, whole NTR. So he sent to the headquarter, either Dehradun, either Delhi in case of the NTR, in STR in case of the Chennai and Bangalore. Okay. Okay, this is the international calling. DTAX identified, this is the international calling. So either Delhi, either Dehradun. Both way is possible. Depend on which there is no traffic. So suppose there are Delhi. Okay, this is the Pakistan call for Pakistan. International calling, either any company, all are moving from India. By default location is the Mumbai. So this center WTR, Mumbai is available in WTR, Mumbai. Now reach in the Mumbai. Mumbai identify. Okay, this is call for Pakistan and India to Pakistan. Cable laying in the submarine optical fiber cable laying. There is no any place satellite here. Optical fiber. What is the path? You can see here. Yeah. In Mumbai. Okay, this is the submarine optical fiber, India and Pakistan between Mumbai to Karachi, already laying, but we don't use. Are you well known why relation between India and Pakistan? So in this case, this path is available, but we close this path. So in this case, what happened? Our movement is go to the from Mumbai to the Chennai to the Singapore, then go to the Japan, and then entry in the Los Angeles, this location, and just follow forward. This is USA, go to the London. These all are optical fiber, go to the Dubai, Afghanistan, then enter inside of Pakistan. And Pakistan local arrangement as like similar like India, and go to the, if two person is standing Bagha border, the whole world hi message, hello message, complete the whole path. This is the biggest path of the communication. Okay, this is the real path. There is no wireless. Each and everything is connected by the optical fiber in the submarine optical fiber. So hopefully, if I already asked, if two friends is standing in the same room, so they complete the path, local exchange, main exchange, then high message go to the another side. Okay, so just one show another video for all of you. This is the real path for communication. Submarine optical this is the real path of communication. One more thing here in this quiz. Communication between one city to another city doesn't matter. In the local city, you laying a lot of optical fiber doesn't matter. But one city to another city, like detached to another detached connectivity, these connectivities are known as the national line. National line not allow anyone to laying in the road either any path. It is all maximum laying is done by the BSNL. Either you go for the any company, Reliance, Airtel, so definitely all call for one city to another city move by the this optical fiber laying. Once this is important. So technology, who aware about the technology, he well known about the importance of the BSNL. Uh, Basically, this is and nobody allow, not BSNL, BSNL is also on behalf of the government work. So they will laying in the cable to each other. So nobody allow other ki go anybody come and cut the road and lay the cable. No, it is a proper manner. One city to another city. Definitely, it control always government take the control. And once and this time, if you are thinking ki Reliance, Jio, BSNL, Airtel, anybody, they put separate line. No, they have the common line from one city to another city. Different line laying, they in the local manner, local city, that is different thing. You are permissible in the city. You put a lot of cable, a lot of uh, trans, no problem. But now this copper wire replaced by the optical fiber, FTTS, fiber to the home at your home. This is the path is all wireless communication is not most important communication. It is just take freedom. Any customer don't depend on the fixed place. They move roaming. Okay. Uh, any doubt, any question, you can write off and you directly ask. Chelika, now hopefully you are understand if two people communicate to each other, so what is the real path? This is the real and actual path, critical path. Any question, any doubt? I share this video. You again see this video, or anytime you can ask in your group question. Okay. Uh, Tomorrow will we discuss the new line, same line, but what will be changed, the new we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, time will be same, 10:30 to 11:30. Today I take more time because yesterday class we also cover up, but maximum 30 to 40 minutes. Thank you. Can we conclude now? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.